Good morning, guys. It is day 50. I don't know. No, it's probably been about 2 weeks, guys, since I've worked on the Z. But let me start that over. All right, guys. So it's been about a month. I went to SEMA in the beginning of the month. I started working on my Z maybe 2 weeks before that, taking the transmission out, and I got the parts, but I'm still waiting on some other parts. I'm still waiting on a part to come in today. But today we are finally putting in the clutch. I'm always gonna say clutch master cylinder, but no, we're putting in the clutch like case, so the cover case, and I got the flywheel on today. If anybody's having issues with putting their flywheel on, I'm gonna tell you right now, all you need to do is just use some zip ties. Get a bolt, get the flywheel bolt, as well as a bolt in one of these bell housing areas. Put some zip ties on there, and then you can torque your flywheel bolts down. That was my biggest issue today. But now we are finally going to put on the clutch cover and the clutch disc. I said that right. Great. All right, so I'm so excited to get to this part because it's almost been a month, and this transition has been very, very, very difficult. But also it's pretty easy, guys, so I'm not going to tell you it's not doable. You can do it. But let's stop talking, and I'm going to go ahead and get started on putting this on here. Alright, guys, so hopefully you are able to see what's going on down here. Use a little. Look at that. Ooh, that don't fit. That makes sense. Moment of two. Dirty bolts. Get one on there. Should see what sounds right. Oops. Very delicate here, this situation here. Okay, obviously that doesn't go like that. There are 3 of those. Doesn't make any sense either. Oh. This might be it. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Zip ties. If you need to use anything, zip ties